السلام عليكم.
I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Cause the play's gonna play, the haters gonna hate. I'm just gonna shake it off. Haters gonna break, and the haters gonna fake. I'm just gonna shake it off. We were caught up and lost in all of our vices, in your pose as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. I never miss a beat, I'm running on my feet. That's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own, I make the moves up as I go. That's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? Haters gonna break, and the haters gonna fake. I'm just gonna shake it off.
Hey you guys, I hope you're doing amazing. Sorry it's been so long since I put up a video. I was on tour, but I've been vlogging 3 times a week, so make sure you go and click this and subscribe to my new channel, Tompkins Life. It's Kale and I, we're doing crazy stuff. It's lots of fun. You should come and join the party. Hey, I'm going to YouTube Fan Fest in Tokyo. If you're there, make sure you come say hi to me. I'm also going on a European tour starting October 20th. More details to come with that, but follow me on Instagram. Just do it, because I put a lot of stuff up on there. Last but not least, I did this really fun thing with my extremely talented friend, Lindsay Sterling. Click right here. It's a video we made with Lindt Chocolate Maker Studios, and it's a really fun little episode. Make sure you click that. As always, thank you to my patrons on Patreon. Thank you to my patrons on Patreon. That's really hard to say. And especially thank you to my executive producers who gave their input on this video before it came out. Love you all. Thank you guys. Stay real. Peace.